I can't get my fridge on again today. I've come to a place where there's no electricity, so my only option is to get it on gas. I've been here for an hour and I've tried this literally hundreds of times. So I'm going to show you what it does. So as you can, I'm holding the button in at the top and then I press this. And sometimes it will spark but won't stay alight. So I'm going to keep, there we go. You see that? It sparked, but it's not staying. Again. So the gas is coming through and it is actually igniting. I mean, before the guy did the service of the fridge, it wouldn't even spark. I don't know what the correct terminology is, but I just can't get this to work. And I'm supposed to be going out for a walk. It's a very hot day today, of course, sod's law. And so I think I'm just going to have to leave it. Unfortunately, I've got some raw chicken in here and I've got some stuff in the freezer. Obviously the freezer, you know, it's not going to work. But also, I'm holding the door open here, which I've been doing, like I said, for almost an hour. I've been trying this. And my fingers feel like they're going to drop off from holding this button in. It's just not having it. This is unbelievably frustrating. But, you know, I think I'm just going to have to leave it, because otherwise what am I going to do? Am I going to sit here all day just playing with the fridge every 10 minutes, trying it again? No. So I think I'm just going to have to go for my walk and say, sod it. And then when I come back, if the chicken is still good, I'll cook it and eat it. If it's not, well, I've got some bread. Bloody thing. I really hope, I mean, I'm going back to Cahors in about a week and a half to 2 weeks. He should have the part that he needs, which will hopefully fix this problem once and for all. I hope, because this is maddening. I've actually been alright. I've had it working. Is that on? No. I've had it working. I've managed to get it on in, like, you know, maybe 20, 30, 50 tries, but I've managed to get it on. But today it just won't go. So yeah, I'll leave it there. I have had enough.